Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Highlands Park, the pride and gem of the city of Legazpi, Philippines. Highlands Park offers a panoramic view of the beautiful and famous Mount Mayon volcano in Legazpi. And there's a statue of a hand offering peace and comfort to everyone. This is like a dream, walking in the path through heaven.
Good morning everybody. Welcome back dito sa channel at meron naman tayong bagong adventure. Meron tayong pupuntahan na lugar kung saan ay maganda ang view. So samahan niyo ako at welcome po ulit dito sa channel ni Grace at Adventure with Grace. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Simula sa bahay, sumakay ako ng tricycle dahil pupunta ako ng Highlands Park, Legazpi City. Dito pala kami dumaan sa Rizal Street. Papunta ito ng Legazpi City. Pero pagdating dito sa may Ago Hospital ay lumiko kami pa kanan. Ito na yung way papunta doon sa Highlands Park. Dito na rin magsisimula yung paakyat na kalsada. Simula dito hanggang doon, doro-diretso na iyan hanggang makarating doon sa Highlands Park. Finally, nandito na ako at yun ang sinakyan kong tricycle. 200 pesos pala ang hiningi na bayad ng mama sa tricycle ride. At umabot ng 30 minutes ang aming biyahe. Dito ang main entrance at magbabayad ka ng 30 pesos para sa entrance fee.
Well maintained. I am so impressed. Beautiful restaurants and cafe facing the volcano. Wow. Very pretty. I really like it. I like it a lot.
Dito sa my left side, makikita nyo maraming mga cafes and restaurant. Pero sarado pa sila kasi dumating ako dito alas 8:30 ng umaga. Sabi nila alas 3 daw ng hapon yun nagsisimula magbukas at hanggang gabi. Dito naman po sa may right side makikita nyo maraming tables and chairs at dito nyo na makikita ang view ng Legazpi, Mayon Volcano at Linyon Hills. Dito sa part na ito ay makikita natin ang view ng Mount Mayon. Maganda rin dito mag-selfie. Mas marami ang pumupunta dito kapag hapon at gabi. Lalo na kung kasama ang pamilya, lahat ng mga kamag-anak, maganda dito mag-get together at mag-picnic.
We were told by the locals it's much busier during the afternoon rather than daytime. It's just so peaceful. You can see lots of greens and, of course, coconut trees. And also notice the birds singing. So nice. Mayon volcano is very popular in the city of Legazpi, and the locals are very proud of it. There's a lot of tourists that would come to Legazpi City and experience the beauty of the volcano. In fact, some of them, they would set up their tent and camp and experience what it looks like and what it feels like camping right near an active volcano. Is that crazy? There is a decorative choo-choo train for the kids or adults too, if they're wanting to hang out and take a picture. Pretty.
Sa right side na ito ng Highlands Park ay makikita natin ang full view ng Legazpi City, Mayon at Liñon Hills.
So the main attraction is there's hands, two hands. I think one is on the right, one is on the left. The one on the left, there is a steps that you can go all the way up and really enjoy the view. It is safe to go up. There is a railing, and then at the very end, on the top, there is a railing too, so that way you don't fall. So it's nice and fun.
Hindi ko na rin pinalampas na umakyat sa kamay na ito para makita ko ang view ng Legazpi, Mayon at Liñon Hills.
You can probably hear the wind. It's raging. It's mad.
Yung maliit na bundok na iyon ay ang Liñon Hills. Last time sa previous video ni Grace ay meron tayong video noon na inakyat yun.
Other than the wind, it's so peaceful and quiet. I'm sure it's much noisier during the afternoon because more people comes in the afternoon. I think because the weather is cooler. So if you happen to be in the city of Legazpi area, don't forget, check this place out. It's not a far drive. I'm pretty sure there's a lot. You can see the road is paved, bumpy a little bit, but paved. So it's not bad. It's not a bad drive. So come check it out. The wind is raging and pounding. My goodness. So if you left the home and your hair is nice and tidy, expect that it's going to be messy. I am pretty sure there are some times when the wind is calm and you can just enjoy the view. But this particular time, it is really windy. Boy, it's screaming and howling.
Morning! You can put everything in God's hands and all your worries will go away. Thank you! Siyempre, bago umuwi, huwag kalilimutan mag-selfie.
And of course, you don't want to go back down without taking selfie.
Dito sa part na ito, sa labas ng Highlands Park, kumuha pa ako ng kaunting video ng view ng Legazpi City bago umuwi.
What you're seeing is the city of Legazpi, and you can see the port, that blue right there, below the clouds, of course. That's the port of Legazpi. Beautiful clouds. And the city of Legazpi. So nice. Windy on top. And then the camera is moving to the left a little bit and you can see Mayun volcano. Oh, there's clouds on top so you can't really see the perfect cone, but that's okay. You've seen it many times on other videos.
Hello! Hanggang dito na lang ang video natin at salamat sa inyong panonood. At please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe at Adventure with Grace. Thank you!